I don't want to hunt him.
I have butter. Or not butter. I called you butter. Nice.
It
Peanut butter.
was the
There's a herd.
go kill them all.
I'm tempted. There's a pair just saying that there's an apple fully laid down. The thing is, the pair is on the ledge. And so I don't really want to walk in front of the apple, go up the little ledge and bite it. But I also don't want to mesh.
Hey Peanut.
What's up?
How about if I play some spore and you help me create a creature that looks fucking dumb? You ready?
I have no clue who plays
Aye.
for, I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, spore?
Let's go.
Oh, spore's fun.
Alright, we're doing it. We're doing it. Don't worry.
Let's go.
We're running it. Full send in this shit. So my computer,
go.
might I add, usually sip
The
of blue
apple
sides
got
every
up.
time I play this. My computer kills itself when I play this. It's great.
That's fine.
Oh, it's fine.
Fine. Yo.
Hello, game. Sip of blue.
Yeah,
It's gonna do this loud ass bullshit for me. Ow.
fucking Discord instead of Blue Game for a sec.
You saw my Discord? What?
Yeah, it showed you Discord.
Good thing I don't have anything bad on Discord. Here, I gotta start a new one. Creature stage. You want a omnivore, carnivore, or herbivore?
I feel like carnivore is funny
Carny?
for some reason.
You want a carny?
Yeah, let's go carny.
Okay.
God, the
You gonna make your
herbivores are
own?
so blunt.
I'm gonna make our own. Alright, here's our base.
Oh.
Sexy.
What is this?
You wanna see my choice of design usually?
Is that it? Just a little beam?
You ready? Ready? No, no, no. Just give me a second. Literal snail.
Honestly, not a bad choice.
It won't let me make the bone structure smaller.
Then make it bigger.
Because the eyes are on
giant
top.
snail.
There we go.
Oh my god.
I can do it.
Alright, I get
And I killed a pair.
These eyes are fucking with me. It won't let me bend the neck like I want to. Alright, here's the move. This is what we're gonna
did it.
start
I
with.
hate the pair.
Yo, who was it?
Alright, what should its name be?
Mufasa.
Mufasa.
Well, no, that was the name
Alright,
of
this
the
is
pair.
gonna piss me off.
That's the name of the pair I killed.
Graphic settings.
I gave it a pretty decent sized gore, even with like half my fucking
Bigger screen.
team. There's also an AFK side, but the pair was in perfect ambush.
Was it like the big ass eye?
It was at Rim before that. Oh.
Okay. I was gonna say when it's Aurora, I have to play it again.
Mufasa just went global and said I hate you, Vince. I want to respond, but yes, with a passion.
The problem with this game is when you're in the screens like this,
You sound like a herd.
it bugs out.